Children march under Russian imperial banners in the western Belarusian town of Slonim. The imagery and language mirror the symbolism used in Russia's war against Ukraine. A military patriotic club named Granada after a famous Soviet song has been established here as an adjunct to a local brigade of the Belarusian armed forces and a secondary school. Cadet-style training sessions are held under Russian imperial flags alongside Soviet and modern Russian military emblems, including the Z symbol widely associated with the invasion of Ukraine. Slogans like "For Faith, the Tsar" and "Holy Triune Rus" are common. Holy Triune Rus refers to the imperial-era concept that Russia, Ukraine and Belarus are one nation under Russian leadership. These are the same flags that Russian troops raised in occupied Ukrainian cities such as Kherson in 2022. The program is state-backed and supported by the Belarusian military. Its leader is retired Lieutenant Colonel Viktor Penza, known for promoting Soviet and Russian military traditions. The Russian Orthodox Church also plays a supportive role in these initiatives. However, critics describe the program as a militarized revival of imperial ideology.
То, что адбываецца з Беларусю, гэта ёсць таксама вось такое паступовае прасоўванне рускага міру, і, на жаль, для нас гэта вялікая трагедыя.
Якую радзіму яны будуць і захочуць абараняць? Гэта будзе вось гэтая трыадзінная расійская імперыя, агрэсіўная, ці гэта будзе нармалёвая дэмакратычная Беларусь?
Belarus, under the authoritarian rule of Alexander Lukashenko, remains Russia's closest ally in the region. In 2022, it allowed Russian forces to launch part of their full-scale invasion of Ukraine from Belarusian territory, though Lukashenko has denied that his own troops have been directly involved in the war.